Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we are going to understand how to generate animated bar charts in Tableau. So for this, we'll go in the environment of Tableau. We'll pick up the sales and drop it into the columns. Next thing which I'll do is pick up the state. Let us figure out the state and drop it into the color. Remove the country from it. Again pick up the state and drop it into the detailing. Now we will have to generate the unique rank for each state according to the sales. So we'll go here and create the calculated field. So the formula for the syntax for this is rank unique in the bracket sum of sales. Let me increase the size. Click OK. Now pick up this ranking unique and drop it into the rows. Compute using the state and make this discrete. Quite good. So the next thing which we want to do is we want to animate this bar charts. Now to animate this chart, pick up the order date and drop it into the pages and hide this card. So you are having a stop button and play button. But before that, there are some changes which you'll have to make. Okay, from here, make this as a quarter, right? And format, click on animations, make sure it is on and make it very slow. Now let's see if it's working or not. Interesting, quite interesting. But I want to increase the size of this bar charts. How can I do it? Let's see. I'll click here and try to increase the chart size. Now, is it possible to highlight the sales figure? Let's see. So I'll pick up the sales figure and drop it into the labels. Now again, let's play the button. Amazing. So it's an animated bar charts in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. You can see my playlist where I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. So thank you.